Can I ask you something a little personal?
Right now, we just started.
I know. But seriously, when you were a kid, what did you want to be when you grew up?
Oh, wow. Okay. I wanted to be a singer,
A singer.
a famous one. Big stage, bright lights, thousands of people singing my songs back to me.
And what actually happened?
My bedroom mirror happened. I performed for my mirror every single day. My audience was a mirror, one sad plant, and a very confused cat.
The cat was confused?
The cat always looked at me like, please stop.
I love that. Okay, mine was football. Big stadium, huge crowd, everyone screaming my name.
And?
And I played on a muddy school field and my best friend shouted, "Adam, you kicked the wrong goal."
No.
The wrong goal, Sarah. My own goal. In front of everyone.
Okay, that is actually painful.
It was. But you know what? I still loved it. I still ran onto that field every week. Because I had this feeling inside. This big, warm, excited feeling. And I think that feeling is actually really important.
It is, because that feeling is a dream. And that is exactly what we want to talk about today.
Dreams, goals, and the small steps that connect them.
And if you are listening to us for the first time, welcome. This is Speak English Together. I am Sarah.
And I am Adam. And we are really glad you are here.
So, dreams. Let us start with something simple. What is a dream, really?
Okay, so in this conversation, we are not talking about the dream where you are flying over a supermarket in your pajamas.
Although that one is very common, apparently.
Very common. No! Here, a dream means a big wish for your future. Something you really want your life to look like one day.
It is that image in your heart, the one that feels a little too big to say out loud sometimes.
Exactly. Maybe your dream is to speak English with real confidence. Or to live in another country. Or to start your own business. Or maybe it is something quieter, like having more time, less stress, a calmer life.
And all of those are real dreams. There is no wrong answer here.
Right. And then there is a goal. A goal is different from a dream.
How?
A dream is the big picture. A goal is the first small step inside that picture.
Oh, I like that. The dream is the destination. The goal is the first road you take.
Yes. So if your dream is to speak English confidently, your goal might be, every day I will practice for 10 minutes. Just 10 minutes.
That sounds almost too small.
That is the point. Small is good. Small is honest. Small actually happens.
I think a lot of people skip the small steps because they feel embarrassed by them. Like, my dream is so big, and my step is so tiny. It feels silly.
But that tiny step is everything. Because big dreams do not happen in one jump. They happen in 1,000 small, honest moments.
1,000 small, honest moments. I want to write that down.
Write it down. Okay, should we share our own dreams? Real ones?
Yes, you go first.
Okay. One of my big dreams is to have my own English studio. A real space. Maybe partly online. Partly a physical room. With plants, a big table, good coffee, students from different countries coming together to practice and laugh and feel safe with their English.
That is so specific. I love it.
I have thought about it a lot. And I also want to build my own English course. Something designed specifically for shy learners. People who know a lot of English but freeze the moment they have to speak.
Oh, that is so many people.
So many people. So that is the dream. Big, warm, a little scary.
And what is your small goal right now?
15 minutes. Every weekday, I work on my course for 15 minutes. Not an hour, not a whole afternoon. Just 15 minutes.
That is it?
That is it. Sometimes it becomes more. But 15 is the minimum. And in those 15 minutes, I might write one example, or change one lesson, or just sit and think about one student I want to help. And every time I do it, I feel like I am sending a small message to my dream. I am saying, hey, I did not forget you today.
I love that so much. I did not forget you today.
Your turn. What is your dream?
Okay, mine is a house. A small, quiet house with a garden.
Tell me more.
I see a table outside, some flowers, a big tree, morning tea in the garden with no rush, no traffic noise, no phone notifications for at least 1 hour.
That sounds incredible.
And the thing is, for me, it is not really about the house. It is about the feeling, a slower life, more space to breathe.
So the dream is a feeling, not just a place.
Exactly. And right now I live in a flat in a busy city, so I asked myself, what can I do now? What is my small step?
And?
2 things. Every month I put a fixed amount of money into a separate savings account. I treat it like a bill. It is not optional. It goes out automatically.
Rent for your future house.
Exactly. Rent for my future house. And every week I try to spend one afternoon somewhere green. A park, a garden, anywhere with trees and air. Because I do not want to wait 10 years to start feeling that peace. I want small pieces of it now.
You are already living your dream a little bit, even before it is fully real.
Yes, and that is actually a really important idea. You do not have to wait until everything is perfect to start feeling the direction you are moving in.
Okay, so we have talked about what dreams and goals are. We have shared our own. But let us be honest. The hard part is not knowing your dream.
No, the hard part is staying focused when real life gets loud.
So loud. Notifications, work, family, that one friend who always wants to video call at exactly the wrong moment.
Every time. Every single time I sit down to do something important.
So, let us talk about focus. Practically. What actually helps?
Okay, the first thing that helped me was this. I stopped trying to chase everything at the same time.
Say more.
I used to have this list. Learn English, save money, exercise more, read more books, sleep better, eat better, learn to cook properly, maybe learn a new language on top of that.
That is exhausting just to hear.
And my brain just shut down. It was too much. So now, I choose one main dream for this season of my life. And when I say season, I mean maybe 3 months, maybe 6 months. Just one thing that gets my real energy right now.
Priority.
Yes, priority. The thing that goes first. Everything else is still there. It is just not driving right now.
I like that. The other dreams are in the back seat. They are still in the car. They are just not driving.
Exactly. And when you do that, something shifts. Your brain stops feeling overwhelmed. It gets quieter, more focused.
The second thing that helped me was having a daily anchor.
What is an anchor?
So an anchor on a boat keeps the boat in one place. It stops it from drifting. A daily anchor for your dream is one small action you do every single day that keeps your dream real in your life.
So it does not just stay in your head as a nice idea.
Right. For English, your anchor might be 10 minutes of listening every morning, or speaking into your phone for 5 minutes before bed. For saving money, it might be checking your account every evening, just 1 minute.
And the key is that it is the same time every day.
Yes, not sometime today. Sometime today never happens.
Sometime today is the enemy.
The enemy. Pick a real time. After breakfast. On the bus. Before you sleep. A specific moment that belongs to your dream.
And then there are the dream thieves.
Oh, the dream thieves are real.
So real. Dream thieves are the small things that steal your attention. Your phone, notifications, scrolling, trying to do 5 things at the same time.
Multitasking.
Multitasking. And the problem with multitasking is that your attention gets scattered. It goes in too many directions, and nothing actually gets done well.
So when it is time for your anchor, protect that time. Even just 10 minutes. Phone on silent. 1 tab open. Tell someone in your house, hey, I need 10 quiet minutes.
You do not need 3 hours of perfect silence. You just need a small protected block where your dream is the only thing in the room.
And the last thing, and I think this is the most important one, know your why.
Your why?
Why do you want this dream? Not the surface answer, the real one.
Mine is that I want my children to grow up watching me chase something. I want them to see that their mother tried.
That is beautiful.
What is yours?
Mine is that I remember what it felt like to be scared to speak English in a room full of people. And I do not want other people to feel that way forever. I want to help them feel free.
And when you know your why, the hard days get softer.
They do. You can write your why on a piece of paper and put it somewhere you will see it. Not on your phone, on paper. Somewhere physical. So on the days when you feel like giving up, you look at it and you remember why you started.
Okay, but let us talk about the giving up days. Because they are real.
They are so real.
There are days when you feel completely discouraged, like nothing is working, like you are too slow, too late, not good enough.
And sometimes that voice is inside your own head. And sometimes it comes from outside, from people who do not quite believe in your dream.
That one is hard. When someone you love says, "Are you sure?" That is quite ambitious. Maybe be more realistic.
And they usually mean well, but it still lands like a small stone in your chest.
It does. And I think what helped me understand it is this. When someone discourages your dream, most of the time it is not about your limit. It is about their fear.
They are scared of risk. They are scared of failure. And so they try to keep you somewhere safe and comfortable, somewhere they recognize.
But you are not asking them to climb the mountain. You are asking them to wave at you from the bottom.
And if they will not wave, find someone who will. A friend, a teacher, a community, even a comment section somewhere online. Find people who understand what you are building.
And you do not have to share your dream with everyone. You can keep it a little private, like a small flame you protect with your hands.
I love that. A small flame you protect with your hands.
And on the days when even you are not sure, do not make big decisions about your dream. Just do 5 minutes. Not because 5 minutes will change everything, but because 5 minutes says, "I still care."
Loyalty.
Loyalty. You stay with something even when it is hard, even when it is slow, even when no one is watching.
And your dream is not a deadline. It is a direction.
Say that again.
Your dream is not a deadline. It is a direction. It is like a compass. It does not shout at you, "Arrive now! Hurry up! You are late!" It just quietly points and says, "This way."
And your current situation is not your final story.
No. It is just the chapter you are in right now.
So if you are feeling stuck today, or slow, or a little lost, ask yourself this question. If my dream is a direction and not a deadline, what is one gentle step I can take this week?
Just one. It does not have to be impressive. It just has to be honest.
And if you missed last week, that is okay. Your dream is more patient than you think.
It is still there, waiting, not angry, just waiting.
Okay, before we go, let us quickly revisit some of the words we used today, not as a lesson, just naturally, because some of them are really useful.
Priority. We use that word a lot. Priority means the thing that comes first, the thing that gets your real time and energy right now.
For example, this month, English is my priority. I am giving it my first and best energy.
Consistent. Consistent means you do something again and again, regularly, not just once.
She is consistent with her practice. She does a little every day.
Discouraged. To feel discouraged means to feel low and a little hopeless, like things are too hard and you want to stop.
I felt discouraged after many mistakes, but I kept going anyway.
Loyalty. To be loyal means to stay with something or someone, even when it is difficult.
I show loyalty to my dream by coming back to it even on tired days.
Direction. Your direction is the way you are moving, where you are heading.
My dream gives direction to my life. It tells me which way to walk.
And mindset. Mindset is the way you think about things, your inner attitude.
When I changed my mindset about mistakes, learning became much easier.
If you want to practice, choose one of those words and make your own sentence. Say it out loud, right now, wherever you are.
Seriously, say it out loud. No one is judging you. That is the whole point.
Okay, I think that is a good place to stop for today.
It is. We talked about dreams, goals, small steps, focus, dream thieves, the people who doubt you, and the voice inside your own head that sometimes doubts you too.
And we hope that somewhere in all of that, you heard something that felt true for you.
Because you have a dream, even if it feels a little blurry right now, even if you have not said it out loud yet.
It is there.
It is there.
And you are already doing something for it. You are here, listening, learning, growing. That counts.
That absolutely counts. Thank you for spending this time with us on Speak English Together.
Take care of your dream this week. even just 5 minutes.
We will see you in the next one.
Bye for now.
Bye.